YouTube. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Customers complaining of the AC not blowing out of the vents at times, intermittently. I'm going to show you how to replace this motor today because I've already diagnosed it. I'm going to show you how to diagnose it as well. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue my videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. It's hot out, so let's get this done quick. I'm doing this kind of outside. So the first thing we're going to do is get our glove box out of our way. You just push in on the sides and pull out, and it just clips onto here. Nothing special, no bolts. Now we're going to pull our cover down. Unplug your plug right here for your light, or just, well, I don't really want to do that if I can help it. Some things are chintzy stuff, man. You got to be careful. Push in on this tab. There we go. All right, now the blower motor is right here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Right up under here. Now notice when I turn it on, it'll come on for a few seconds. Little multimeter. Because this is a ground controlled motor. So watch when it cuts out. Watch what happens to my meter. Boom, see how it goes to zero? You're always going to have voltage on the other side. That's a good indication. But it's ground controlled, so when that ground disappears, it's the resistor inside the motor, but it's built onto this blower motor. It's built onto it. So let's push in the little clip here, pull out on that. I think we got 7 or 8 millimeter bolts on this thing. Let's see. Looks like they're going to be 8. I brought both out, so I'm prepared. We're going to make this quick. Put an adapter on here to turn it to 1/4 inch because my 1/4 inch ratchet is broke. I'm waiting to get a new one. Got one. Two. Three. Boom. Note into position. It's a very easy repair. See how the resistor's built into here. Most resistors are separate, but this one's not. Let's go ahead and stick her up in here. Get her seated right there on the vent, where vent's at, to keep it cool. Let's go ahead and run one of them down. That way it holds it. There we go. Those. And the last one, way in the back here. Right there. They're self-tapping, so you can't really cross-thread them. And plug this bad boy in. We have life. Put our covers back on. Oh, anyways, I'm gonna end this video. Y'all please check like, y'all subscribe. I don't think I need to show y'all to put that back on. That's the tongue twister. Y'all have a good day. Peace.